Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use Learn Japanese offline that you can get from the Play Store. Before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So in here, type in Learn Japanese. Make sure to spell it correctly. So Learn Japanese. Here it is. So Learn Japanese offline by 10 mobile apps. So before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So learn Japanese keywords. So there, general conversation, search keyword, listen keyword audio, add keyword to your favorites, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install this Learn Japanese offline. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know the features available when you're using this app. So this app has a 500 plus free Japanese phrases and Japanese words in the following categories. So starting from greetings, general conversation, numbers, shopping, time and date, family, direction and place, colors, eating out, transportation, accommodation, cities, prefectures, and so on. So it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. So okay, Japanese Phrasebook. So alright, so these are the categories. So let's start by tapping the greetings. So there, konnichiwa. You can use the search if you want to search a particular word like hi. Alright, there's okay, shibaraku desu, it's been a while. You can use the search in here for a particular keyword, or you can just scroll and look for the particular sentence or phrase that you want to use to communicate with the Japanese. So there, I can speak Japanese. Watashi wa Nihongo ga hanasemasen. And if you wanna listen to this particular sentence or phrase, just tap this play button. But on your end, you might not be able to because I'm using the microphone. So if you're following this video, then just tap this play button and you will be able to hear it on how to pronounce it properly. This one here is if you want to add this to your favorites. So there, I added this to my favorites. So I'm from watashi wa country, which is which country you were from. Okay, so let's say Korea. So watashi wa Kankokojin. Alright, and so on. Merry Christmas. Just scroll down, look for a particular phrase or sentences and use it to communicate with your Japanese friends or to Japanese people. And this one here, let's try this one, angry words. Alright, so these are the angry words, and I don't recommend using this, especially if you're a foreigner and you want to use this. These are actually not good, so I am not encouraging you to use this. So let's just forget about that and proceed to this one here, small conversation. And small conversation, okay, getting to know others. Let's start with this. So hi there, konnichiwa, how are you, genki desu ka? You come from Europe, Europa kara korari to nande desu ka? Okay, you scroll down and look for a particular sentence that you want to use. So, are you here on vacation? Kochira de wa kyoka desu ka? That's good. Please do visit me sometime. Ichido kite kudasai. And so on. So, let's go back and ask for directions. So, this is if you're lost. So, this is really helpful for asking directions. So, starting from excuse me, and then can you help me, choto ii desu ka? There in the restaurant, take left at the corner, then go straight while. You can also take the bus de mo ikemasu, cross the bridge, go through the tunnel, and so on. So this is really useful. These are the phrases or words that the Japanese are using. So there, excuse me, how do I get to the airport? Simasen, koko he wa koko de ここへは Koko e wa do yatte ikiba ii desu ka? So if you wanna listen to this particular sentence, just tap this one. Okay, that's how you say it correctly. Sumimasen, koko e wa do yatte ikeba ii desu ka? Okay, got it. And at the airport, there, and so on. So let's try dating. So if you are looking for a relationship with the Japanese girl, then just try using this. I'm single, watashi wa dokushin desu. Do you have a boyfriend? Kareshi wa imasu ka? And then so on. So just use any of these to try to get a girl in Japan. So tongue twister, what I like about this app is that it doesn't have limitation. We're able to use all the categories. So up until tongue twister. So there, tongue twister. So you can also use this one here, the search. So let's try love. Okay, there. I love you. Watashi wa anata o aishitemasu. You can tap it to listen and how to pronounce it properly. There. Let's go back and let's go to the menu. So this is the home. These are the favorites. Okay, I have one added already. And this one is share button. And this one is if you wanna rate this app, so you will have to proceed to your Google Play Store. And this one here is feedback. I'm not going to do that. So again, I highly suggest that you have this on your phone before going to Japan. Will really help you in your trip to Japan. You will be able to communicate with them, ask directions, ask information, and it's going to be fun and easy way to learn Japanese. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have learned something for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.